This here is all squash. Up to the end here. We got potatoes here. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows, 6 rows, 7 rows, 8 rows, 9 rows, and 10 rows. And I got cucumbers from outside edge to that, all the way from that end down there, all the way down to there, 2 rows. And then I got corn, planted right where all the tracks are. And in between the corn and the cucumbers will be all my tomatoes. And then from the end of the corn here, will be cabbages and peppers. And then I got corn on that side. And then you got squash on the outside edge there. It'll go out to the corn. And I got pumpkins down in those two ends. And that'll grow out this way. So we got a little space off the plant there. So, be done pretty soon. All I have left is plants. I'll get up here. And I got dill, beets, carrots, kohlrabi. That takes care of that.